Alright, quick little return duct situation. Gonna have to get tape over this. It's pulling all the fresh air in from the basement. Seal up all the coughs, cracks, see where it's leaking light. Dust infiltration. Then we start getting next to the basement wall. Gotta get this sealed up. This is part of the return. Pulling nothing but basement air in. Same here. All this needs to be caulked. You can see where the dust infiltrates into the crack, into the return. Here's your return system going back into the house. When you have leaky ductwork like this, it does not pull from the second floor or furthest from the furnace. Here we go. Got another duct sealing situation using the sill plate. All this needs to be caulked. Mind you, of all these 1x boards that go on the floor, those need to be caulked as well. You're pulling in dirt, cold air.